Class 7, Chapter 14, Electric Current and its Effects, prepared by Miss Roshni Masti. Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about the electric current. Children, you have seen at home or so many places electric circuits are there. Without electric circuit, there will be no supply of electricity, or we are not able to use electricity without circuits or without current. So children, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the electricity, how we will get electricity and how we use circuit at home or in the school. Let us start today's chapter. Introduction. The action of combining produces electric charges that attract the paper pieces. This is known as static electricity because it is at rest. But when the electricity is in motion, it is referred as electric current. It is the flow of electricity along a conductor. The complete path of the flow of electricity is known as electric circuit. In this chapter, we will discuss several components of an electrical circuit, how they are represented and effects of electricity on them. Symbols of electrical components in a circuit. Children, you can see in the diagram, there are so many symbols. With that, we can make a complete circuit. So here are some symbols, like first is ammeter, cell, battery, diode, fuse, lamp, resistor, resistor variable, LDR resistor, switch open, switch closed, voltmeter. So children, these are the symbols which we can use anywhere. So the symbol for an electric cell is a long line and a shorter but thicker line parallel to it. These two represent the positive and negative terminals of the electric cell respectively. Heating effects of electric current. Special materials are used to prepare the element of the bulb or for other appliances like water heater, iron, etc. The most popular material used are tungsten, nichrome, etc. When you switch on an immersion rod dipped inside a bucket of water, the element placed inside becomes hot and starts warming up the water. The amount of heat to be produced depends on the three factors: the material used, its length and thickness. Therefore, for different purposes, wires of different material, length and thickness. Children, here you can see this is the diagram of MCB. These days, we use miniature circuit breakers instead of fuse. They have switch which automatically turn off the moment the current crosses the safety limit, thereby breaking the circuit. When they are turned on, the circuit is again complete. We use miniature time delay fuses in appliances to protect them. These days, these MCBs are used in the place of fuses, or this is a very safe device, or this device automatically turn off when the electricity crosses the safety limit. So this is very helpful for the human being. The disadvantage of using coil-based incandescent lights is that along with producing light, they also produce heat which is a wastage and not desirable. To minimize this, fluorescent tube lights have been developed that do not produce heat. Magnetic effect of electric current. Children, here you can see the diagram of the picture of a scientist. This scientist, he was from Denmark and he only observed that electricity flowing through a wire also produces a magnetic field around the wire. Hans Christian Andersen, a scientist from Denmark, was the first to observe the magnetic effects of electricity. Electromagnet. Electric currents are used to prepare magnets and these are known as electromagnets. They lose their mechanism the moment the current is stopped. Thus, they are temporary magnets. Electromagnets are very powerful and are very used in many appliances like cranes for lifting heavy objects, toys, etc. Precautions to be taken during working with electricity. Ensure that the appliances are properly earthed. Never touch switches with wet hands. Check the safety fuse and see it is standardized. Do not try to repair electrical circuits or equipment without proper knowledge. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you all. Have a good day.